the silent air, whispers rise in a humble prayer. The bells chime softly through the trees, a song of hope on a winter breeze. Christmas is joy, a gift to share, love in the hearts that St. Clair. Stars above, they guide the way to a peaceful night, a brighter day. Snow falls gently on the chapel stone inside. No one feels alone. Voices